There is no questioning that Bitcoin has been one of the best performing assets of the last decade. But with all the volatility between the gains, it can be hard to figure out when exactly is the best time to invest. Some of you might say just buy the dips. Other might say dollar cost average in. Well, the second one might be a solid solution. This allows you to never risk too much, get the best average BTC price in the long term, all while outperforming the traders that tried to time the market. Now that's great and all, but at the same time, it can be hard to remember to make that daily DCA investment into Bitcoin in the first place amongst our busy lives. And for that reason, today we're going to be talking about a project that makes DCAing into Bitcoin so easy, your grandmother could do it without your help. Now I got your attention. This project is none other than our channel sponsor, BitDCA. BitDCA is a fintech company that was founded in 2019 and is based in Prague, Czech Republic. Their overall goal as a company is to simplify cryptocurrency investing through dollar cost averaging. As I briefly mentioned, this is a strategy that allows investors to gradually accumulate Bitcoin without trying to predict market movements. Their flagship product, Littlebit, takes this concept to the next level by enabling users to automatically convert a portion of their everyday card transactions into Bitcoin, making the process extremely effortless. So instead of setting up new accounts or dealing with complex trading platforms, users can integrate Littlebit with their existing payment cards and passively build their BTC holdings over time. The way the app works is simple. When you first start using it, you set a specific percentage of each payment made with your existing debit or credit card to be automatically converted into Bitcoin. For example, if you choose to allocate 5% and spend $50 on a purchase, $2.50 would automatically be invested into Bitcoin. That means you don't need to time the market and you don't have to actively trade. You just spend money like you normally would and your Bitcoin savings grows in the background. To make things even better, BitDCA raised $2 million in funding to build Littlebit, and the app is launching in Q2 of this year, 2025, on iOS and Android. And while it does currently focus on Bitcoin, they do plan to expand into other cryptos, gold, and even the S&P 500 in the future. With all that in mind, let's take a step back and truly explore the power of dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin. Okay, so if I was to offer you $1 million right now, or a penny that would double in value every day for the rest of your life, which one would you choose? If you choose the $1 million, believe me, I understand. That's a lot of money. But if you choose the alternative, that might surprise you, as within the 30 days, you would actually have $10 million as a result. And that, my friends, is the power of dollar cost averaging. Now, I know that sounds crazy, and in theory, that's with your money doubling every single day. So let's take a look at this from a more practical sense. If you were to invest $1 into Bitcoin every single day within a 10-year period from January 1st, 2015 to February 19th, 2025, within that time frame, your $365 average annual investment would now be worth over $1 million. For reference, that's a 27,180% return on your investment. Now, it is true that in that same time frame, Bitcoin experienced multiple 50% or even 80% drops in value. But even amidst all that downside volatility, if you ignored the noise, focused on the bigger picture, and continued to invest $1 every single day into Bitcoin regardless, look where you would be in 2025. You would officially be a millionaire. I know at first glance, it might not seem like much, and the results may take time to unfold, but if you can truly understand its long-term potential, you'll see why it could be the key to securing your financial future. Now, it is worth noting that due to the law of diminishing returns, it is unlikely that Bitcoin will see the same price growth it did between 2015 and 2025 over the next 10 years. For that reason, I want to introduce you guys to another piece of BitDCA's ecosystem that may just be the solution to this. At the heart of BitDCA's Bitcoin savings model is none other than the BDCA token, the native cryptocurrency cryptocurrency of Bit DCA's ecosystem. Now, at face value, this may just seem like your standard utility token, but in reality, it's much more and plays a central role in rewarding users and ensuring the platform's long-term growth. First off, BDCA holders receive a share of the fees generated from the transactions made through the LittleBit app, creating a direct incentive to support and engage with the platform. As more users adopt the app and transaction volume increases, token holders benefit from a growing revenue stream. Also, beyond simply holding BDCA, users can actually stake their tokens and earn a share of the platform's transaction fees. Rewards are distributed bi-weekly, offering a steady passive income stream regardless of the company's annual financial performance. This staking model, combined with strong tokenomics and community-driven incentives, makes BDCA more than just a transactional token. Instead, it's a core component of Bit DCA's ecosystem and long-term vision. So what are your thoughts on BitDCA? Me personally, I know a lot of people in my life that could absolutely benefit from a system like this, me included. So be sure, if you are interested in checking out more on BitDCA, that you follow them online so you can stay up to date when their app launches on iOS and Android. Thank you guys, as always, for watching, and I'll catch you in the next.